it's a wonderful genre of music.
Hi, babies. Hi, babies. Can you say hello? Can you say hello? Can you say hello?
And you're sort of on the rise as Gwyneth Paltrow's character is on the decline.
Hi, babies.
Yeah. I mean,
Is that your brother, Samantha?
her character
You see your brother?
has been in business for a long time.
You see your brother? Who's that guy?
She goes
Who's
on
that
a
guy?
tour, and I'm one of her opening acts. And we have some competition, but you kind of realize that
Yay!
to take anything away. She just wants something of her own. And
Hi, babies.
it's a wonderful movie. I really love it. We'll leave a clip where you
What are you saying, Jacob? What are you saying?
perform. Let's take a look at Country Strong.
Yeah. That's right, buds. Miss Samantha. Samantha, who's this guy? Who's this guy next to you? You see him? Oh no, what's the matter? What's the matter?
James, my new manager, booked me this gig as a rehearsal.
Hey, babies. Hi, babies. Hi, babies. Hi, babies. Hi, babies. Yeah, Jacob. Yeah.